So we're here at Project MX two-stroke restorations. Let's take a look inside. Just kind of give an overview here. This is where the bikes come in and they're disassembled. All the parts cleaning, all the sandblasting, vapor honing, and then all the reassembly occurs here. And then the suspension and the engine are done at my partner Adam's shop, which I'll also do a video on. So this is a table you can see right here. We're working on this is a 92 CR250. We just had the frame powder coated, and I just finished vapor honing these triple clamps, seat recovered and restored the swing arm and rebuild all the brakes. So that's kind of the project that's happening right now. But simultaneously, this is the engine casings for a KX250, a 2001 KX250. Just have that one done today, and we'll get the rest of those vapor honed and looking like brand new, and then sent over to Adam to be built. This is a 03 RM125 that we did, that's for sale. And that was really a nut and bolt, everything basically redone from the rims to the motor. And of course all the plastic and brakes and handlebars and powder coated frame, etc. Just kind of your standard parts cleaner, and then sandblasting cabinet that we use on occasion, but mostly the vapor hone is really what gets used the most. And it does such a great job with polishing aluminum up beautifully. Wouldn't know what it saves on. It saves a lot of time and does a better job than doing everything by hand. Over here, we've got a couple of KX frames that have been powder coated recently. One is the 01 KX250, and the other one is a 99. No, it's an 01 KX125 and a 99 KX250. And then all the disassembled parts that all have to be cleaned and or replaced as the bikes are put back together. We do, with rims, we do our own, we build our own rims, we lace our own rims. There's the truing stand there when we need to, which is quite often. And of course we do our own tires and such. So that's kind of just a quick look at Project MX disassembly and assembly shop. And then I'll do another video of where the motors and suspension are done.